smile in the warm hugs of those you hold dear, in the decorated shop windows, that feeling of holiday cheer. You can hear it in the children's laughter. They've been waiting for this time all year. The Christmas baking and the scent that lingers after, that feeling of holiday cheer. So cuddle up with those you love. These are the moments we've been dreaming of. Joy and singing and only happy tears, that feeling of holiday cheer. These are the moments we've been dreaming of. Joy and singing, only happy tears, that feeling of holiday cheer. Joy and singing and only happy tears, that feeling of holiday cheer.